By the end of this video, you will know how to build a Wix website. Start by signing in to your Wix account. Once you are on the dashboard, click Create New Site to begin. This takes you into the setup flow where Wix asks how you want to build the site. At this point, choose between the two available paths. If you want Wix to generate a starting point for you, click Let Us Go and continue with Wix AI. If you want to build the site yourself from the beginning, click Skip the Chat. Both options lead to the editor, but the setup process looks a little different depending on the path you choose. Next, select the type of website you want to create. Wix will show categories like online store, portfolio, blog, restaurant, and other options. Pick the one that matches your project most closely, since this choice affects the layouts and features Wix suggests during setup. If you chose the AI route, describe the website you want, and then click Generate Site. Wix will take a moment to create a design based on your description. If you skip the AI setup, browse the templates and choose one to start with. This gives you the initial structure for the site before you make your own changes. Once the site opens in the editor, begin customizing it. Update the text so it matches your business, brand, or project. Replace the default images with your own visuals or other suitable media. Adjust colors and fonts so the design feels consistent across the site. You can also change menus and page layouts to organize the content the way you want. If you need more content areas, use the Add button to insert new sections, pages, and other elements. After the layout is in place, add the website features you need. Depending on the kind of site you are building, this might include a contact form, an image gallery, an online store, a booking system, a blog, or other apps available inside the Wix editor. Add only the features that support the purpose of the site so the final setup stays focused. Now move into your site settings, update the site name, and review the SEO settings so search details reflect the content of the website. If your site includes selling or booking, set up payment methods where needed. Add your business information and connect a custom domain if that is part of your plan. Make sure these settings match the site you are publishing before you continue. When everything is in place, click Preview to review the website. This is where you check the full site experience and look for anything that needs a final adjustment. If something looks off, return to the editor, make the change, and preview again. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the website live. Your Wix website is now built and published.